Does your toddler cry the moment you leave the room? Do they cling to you, even when you're just a few steps away? At first, it feels like love, but slowly, it becomes exhausting and worrying. Here's the truth: clinginess is not just personality. Sometimes it's something we unknowingly create. Today, we'll uncover 4 small parenting mistakes that lead to clingy toddlers, and more importantly, how you can fix them easily. Stay with me, because mistake number 3 is the one most loving parents make. Welcome to our channel, Balanced Parenting, a forum for learning how to raise confident kids without losing our calm. Let's discuss for mistakes one by one. Mistake number 1, being available every second. You love your child, so you respond instantly. Every time they call, you come. They cry, you pick them up. They demand, you fulfill. When a child never experiences even a small moment of waiting, they never learn how to be okay on their own. How to fix? Start with small gaps. If your child calls you, wait 10 to 20 seconds before responding. Let them try, explore, self-soothe. You're not ignoring them. You're teaching them independence. Mistake number 2, overcomforting every emotion. Your child falls, cries, gets upset, and instantly you rush in with hugs or panic. But here's what happens. Your child learns, I can't handle emotions alone, so every small discomfort turns into a need for you. How to fix? Instead of removing the emotion, guide them through it. Say, I know you're upset. Take a deep breath. I'm right here. Mistake number 3, sneaking away without saying goodbye. You quietly leave the room. You think, it's easier this way. No crying. But from your child's perspective, you disappeared. That creates fear and insecurity. How to fix? Always say a clear, calm goodbye. Even if they cry, say, I'm going to the kitchen. I'll be back soon. Mistake number 4, not encouraging independent play. If your child always plays with you, they'll depend on you for entertainment. How to fix? Introduce independent play slowly. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes. Sit nearby, but don't interfere. Dear parents, clingy children are not weak. They are simply overdependent. The good news? You don't need drastic changes. Just small shifts can turn clinginess into confidence. If this video helped you, share it with another parent. Don't raise children who need you forever. Raise children who trust themselves because of you. Like this video and also share it with conscious parents. Subscribe our channel for more insightful videos.